Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix-Up, it's not credible.
No politician can beg no plate for me. Looking at them face, not smile with nobody.
Rasta can liberate the people, and if you're gonna make money off of this political madness, as you see man a paint dog, man a wipe off man foot, you might as well do it in the right way. Protege drops anti-dub plate. Yes. It's exactly how it says in the beginning. No politician boy can beg him for a dub plate or even pay him for a dub plate, you know. So before we hear more of that song, then let me read his caption. He said, self-defiance, anti-dub. No politician can't beg no dub plate from me. Your lots of politicians blame the music for everything, yet when time comes, they turn to the music to catch the people. Yes, I have politicians that I rate and I respect highly, same way, but if the store not touch you, please don't squeal. Not judge no artist for being involved. This is just my argument for me. Let's debate. And that's exactly what's missing from this general elections. We're not hearing of the debates. And if there's debates out there, it's being overshadowed by the whole heap of chicken eating, the rum drinking, and the loud music. And I'm not lie, I'm kind of all talked out of this politics. I don't want to see, I don't even want to do another review about this ish. But this is what has taken over our mind, you know? Dub plates. I call them dumb plates. You see what I'm saying? There's still missing people out there. Jasmine Dean, you know? But I just wanted to give you that update with Protege, the first Rasta, or the first one to step out with an anti-dub that has a name, because I've seen a few out there, but you know, them are nobody in that sense.
Yeah, Joe, me have it. My phone dropped today. No. How I broke it? It dropped? Yeah, when I see my dog and my house. It dropped in what? Tile? It dropped on the tile. It dropped. It's the Winchester reading.
Bless up yourself, Tommy Lee. Trust. Freedom is a must. And many more need to be free. But honestly, people, Tommy Lee can't sue the state. It's a waste of time him suing the state. And I'm going to tell you exactly why at the end of this. But first, let me read this article to give people an understanding of what we're dealing with. So, as you know, Tommy Lee Sparta has been released and his attorney promises to sue the state. Because Tommy Lee was detained under the Public Emergency, SOE, State of Emergency in St. James. And he was released Monday and his lawyer has pledged to sue the state. The tribunal handed down their final rulings today, Monday, and I received an email at 11:59. Obviously, this is a day old. With the details, attorney at law Ernest Smith told King Mix-Up, initially a person of interest, following a flare-up of violence in Montego Bay, Tommy Lee Sparta was subsequently held in custody without charge from July 7th until August 17th. Your sight. To keep Leroy Russell, you know, Tommy Lee's government name, detained in the interest of the public safety and that he should be released immediately. That means that whether or not the SOE was disbanded, my client would have to be set free. The attorney said that he called the artist's brother to tell him the good news, and when he thought he was talking to the sibling, he was actually talking to Tommy Lee. Seeking vengeance. He hailed me up and said, King. During one of the questions and answer sessions, they brought up the fact that his little daughter had been shot and asked if he wasn't going to seek vengeance. Tommy Lee told them that he has asked the Lord to protect his child and that vengeance belongs to God. I was so proud of him, Smith said. The lawyer emphasized that there has absolutely no justification to keep his client in custody and charged that the incident was laced with malice. In 2014, the police of St. James carried out a raid in a house in Kingston and accused of him of lottery scamming. He went to court, was acquitted, and no case submission, which only highlighted the weakness of the prosecution case, she said. Smith, in a bid to ensure that the justice rolls down like water, intends to file an action of false imprisonment as well for a loss of income. He lost millions of dollars from shows in parishes such as St. James. Really? Me have to stop. I don't know if any show will let that go on, you know, but nevertheless, in St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, because the promoters were threatened that they would not receive permits to host. Oh, this was a long time ago. Okay, the events, unless they removed his name off of the poster. It even stretched overseas to extent that Tomny has been named person non grata by the U.S. Embassy because of the file that the police have created on him. Tomny was detained at Freeport police lockup. And people, the reason why he's not going to be able to sue anybody in this is because it was a state of emergency. And from you hear the name tribunal, that has to deal with the military, his side. So the only thing I see coming out of this is them still a go bother him, but there might be some changes to the law pertaining, you know, how a person of interest is dealt in this time, you know. I think they're gonna change it, that, you know, you just can't tell a man to come from a part of the country that's not under state of emergency and then go to state of emergency area as requested upon and then just lock him up, you know, because that does show a little bit of malice. But in honesty, it didn't break no law, if you get what I'm saying. Even though they was tricky into letting him come to that area, that they really didn't break no law. He basically went on his own free will. So that's the only thing I see happening in this outcome. Just a change of protocols as usual. You know, they always do the change of protocol thing to save them pocket your side. So let's get on with the next one. But before we do, damn man, I was just thinking, you know, this politics things really divide friends, family, and the people as a whole. You know, we should be uniting and demanding, you know, X, Y, and Z from these people in power, these bossy slaves. But here we're distracted from the focus, and we're just, you know, belittling our one another. I just had to throw that in. Hunting, you know. But this is the last update for this video. All day people, I say, yo, King, you know, say Foota, they're on the next manhood again. And I'm like, so what's new? Every other day, Foota cock up on some manhood and I post up on IG. You see me, I say? So I don't know what's the big deal. You know what I mean? But I swear to you that it looked like they excited the people today. But it's nothing new for me. Foota always a pose upon some manhood and I put it on the gram. His side. But let me know what you think about Protege anti-dub. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can listen to the full thing. Because, you know, due to YouTube rules, we can't really have them audio. Yeah, so you see me, I say? And what do you think about Tomny? Do you think he has any case in suing the state? I mean, I personally think he ain't going to get shit. I think they're just going to try to change protocols and how they deal with civilians at this time. And what do you think about Foota? He's always on some manhood every other day. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Just giving y'all this quick update. Bless.